Hey, how you doing? This is Sai and I'm back with another video, and this is the part 3 of the topic that we talked about, minimum tools and resources required for affiliate marketing. Okay, so if you haven't watched part 1 and 2, I'll put a link in the description below and you can check out those 2 parts, and this is the part 3, and we're going to just go through couple of remaining things, the tools and resources that you need to run and operate a affiliate marketing business the proper way, okay, that will last, that will be sustainable for long term. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick recap again, okay, so so that if you haven't watched part 1 and 2, I'll just give you a few key points that I talked about that you need, okay, few tools that we're talking about. Okay, so as we discussed in parts 1 and 2, that affiliate marketing is a business, so you have to treat it like a business. So to run a business, we need tools, resources, to run and operate the business. Okay, so what I went through is that there's a couple of important minimum things that you need if you want to run a affiliate marketing business the right way. Okay, so what we discussed is basically, so first thing that you need is a domain name. Okay, the domain name is the address, unique address on your website, which will be a website, which will we're talking about website, sorry. Domain name is the address of your home on the internet. Okay, similar to a physical address, such as our home addresses. This will be a unique address that people can get access to your website, see your information, see your affiliate offers, your promotion that you're marketing, promoting and recommending to them. Okay, so for example, my website domain name is affiliateship.com. You will choose your own domain name, and it will be unique to you and your niche. Okay, and it will be available on a global scale. Okay, that's one of the big benefits of having your own internet domain name. All right, so that's the domain name for you. Next thing is we discussed is where to get your domain names. Okay, so domain name providers, Namecheap is one that I use quite a bit, as they provide some 2 extra security features added in free of charge, which others don't. Okay, so Namecheap is the one that I use. There's others like GoDaddy, Name.com, NetFirms, but Namecheap is the one that I use right now. Price wise, you're looking at $10 to $15 per year. Namecheap is around $12 to $13. Okay, so next thing you'll need is a website builder. Website builder is the software that is going to be used to build your website. Okay, the popular one out there, the most common one, is WordPress. Okay, WordPress is the software. It's a you don't need no technical experience. You can just install it within seconds, within a few clicks. Okay, and you ready to go. Okay, you can do WordPress is basically it's a free software, but you have to install it on a web host, which we're going to talk about in a moment. Okay, so WordPress is the software. Affiliateship.com, my website, is built on WordPress as well, and it's a fantastic piece of software as it's fully customizable. You can customize your website to the way you want. You can create different install different templates that will change the outlook design of your website, and so it's, as I said, it's a great piece of software. Okay, so there's 2 versions of WordPress. There's WordPress.com, which is basically a cloud-based version. It's a free version that you can sign up online, but this is basic, so you don't want that one. Right, so what you want is the WordPress.org, which you install on your web hosting. But you know what, you don't actually have to worry about that, because once you get the web hosting, you'll get an app installer called WordPress. You just have to click on it and it will install your website on your domain name. Okay, so forget that what I mentioned, but it's just good to know that there's 2 different types. Okay, so you want the WordPress.org, but I said don't worry about it. Once you get a good web hosting, which I'm going to recommend to you, it'll have the app already, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so WordPress is free itself, but obviously it needs to go on your web host, which you're going to discuss now, and web hosting does cost a little. Okay, so next thing we're going to talk about is web hosting. Okay, so web hosting basically where your website and its content will be stored online 24/7, serving for you potentially generate traffic, leads and sales, because on your website you're going to have all the information, information about your offers, about your value, content. You're going to have content, offers, recommendations, reviews, for example, of your affiliate products, and just as I said, this is your home on the internet. It's very important to have your own website. Okay, so WordPress, as I said, will be installed on the website because that's the most common one, so you definitely should go for WordPress. But there's other types that you can go, for example, free ones like Weebly, Wix and all that. But as I said, they're all good, they're great, they are a piece of software, but with WordPress you get more features and more control, so I say, all right, with the WordPress. So I definitely go for WordPress if I was you. All right, so that's WordPress for you. Web hosting. So web hosting packages, service providers, two three popular ones: Bluehost, HostGator, and I'm currently using A2 hosting. A2 hosting, the reason I'm using A2 is because they provide some customizable, extra advanced customizing hardware features that you can add some more RAM, memory and all that, which I needed because I wanted to host multiple websites. Okay, but Bluehost, HostGator are the other two that you can go for any of them. So Bluehost, it works out a bit cheaper if you pay for a long-term annual plan. Yeah, it works around $3 a month, but average price you're looking at $15 per month. Okay, so that's that for you, web hosting. So next thing is email autoresponder. That's the most important thing that you'll need because it's going to build your list, which is obviously the most important asset in your affiliate marketing business, right? So building your email list should be an ongoing daily activity because your affiliate marketing growth will be to the extent of your email list growth. Okay, and this is important. That's why email autoresponder plays an important part in your business, because it'll be used to build your email list, right? And that's where all your contacts and everything will be stored. And you can also use it. You will also use it to communicate with your audience, okay, through manual messaging and also sending automated messages. All right. So that's email autoresponder. That's a must-have. Email autoresponder cost about average price. So Aweber is one of popular one that I use myself. $19 per month, 500 subscribers, 500 contacts. You get response. Another one, it's about $13 for 1,000 subscribers, and they both offer free 30-day trial, which you can check out either of them. Okay, they're both great, but I just prefer Aweber, which I'm using right now. Next is marketing software. Marketing software is very important again because you'll use it to create assets. Okay, assets, for example, marketing pages, marketing systems. Okay, they will be like your digital sales person selling your products, explain about your products and your affiliate products that you're going to be promoting. They're going to be doing it 24/7, 365 days a year. Okay, because they're going to be web pages that will be hosted on your website, on your marketing website, and they'll be serving for you. Okay, so marketing software is very important, and what marketing software can do is basically it can create specialized pages, marketing pages, okay, that other software cannot create, because obviously special marketing software. I mean, so WordPress, obviously you need that because WordPress is your website, your home on the internet, but marketing software is a specialized piece of software. So it's really strongly recommend that you have that, okay, because it allows you to create marketing type pages. For example, affiliate marketing, we're talking landing pages, opt-in pages, lead magnet pages, bridge pages, bonus pages, funnels and all that, so you can create all of these within minutes literally. So it's very important to have marketing software. Okay, so that's that for you. So marketing software, when it comes to marketing software, there's four popular ones that I know of that I've used: Lead Pages, Optimize, Press 5 Themes, and ClickFunnels. Out of all the four, I prefer ClickFunnels because it's the most easiest to use, beginner friendly, visually appealing, requires no web skills, and it's focused on conversion optimized pages, which you definitely want because it will help you sell more products. Okay, so so that's that. ClickFunnels is the one that I would go for. You get a 14-day trial. You can try it out, and if you like it, you can definitely go for it. Okay, so ClickFunnels is the one that I recommend when it comes to marketing software. All right, so price wise, ClickFunnels is about $97 per month. It's a bit, I'd say a bit expensive than the others, but I said you get what you pay for, because ClickFunnels is really easy to use, and I personally really like the software. Okay, it's a fantastic piece of software. So you can take out the trial and see for yourself, right? Next thing is link tracking software. Link tracking is an area that, you know, a lot of people probably don't do. I've seen, but it can make you money and it can save you money. Okay, so tracking software allows you to measure the performance of your marketing campaigns and see how they're performing, as it provides you with data that you can use to tweak and optimize your marketing campaigns. Okay, so for example, you can split test 2 different pages and you can find out which one is performing better than the other. So that will obviously save you money, because the ones that's not performing, you can scrap that, or you can optimize it, or the one that is performing, you can add, you know, increase your ad spend on that. Okay, so link tracking allows you to do that. So that's really important. Okay, link tracking software. So that's link tracking software. So when it comes to pricing wise, link tracking, let's look at that price. So pricing wise, $27 per month. I'm using ClickMagick. Okay, ClickMagick is, I reckon, is very, you know, you get a lot of value for money with ClickMagick. There's loads out there, to be honest, you know, but I prefer ClickMagick. So ClickMagick is about, I think, $27 per month if you paid annually, but if you paid monthly, but $19 per month if you paid annually. Okay, so it gets cheaper if you go on an annual plan. Okay, so ClickMagick is the one, and you get a 40-day trial if you want to check it out. Okay, next thing is ongoing training. So in order to grow your affiliate marketing business, you need to constantly develop your skills and knowledge in the industry that you're serving. Okay, so you should engage in general personal development so that you can become a better person and improve yourself on an ongoing basis. So definitely, if you need to invest in yourself, in your personal development, professional development. Okay, when it comes to training as well, affiliate marketing training, you want to go on trainings, learn more, and improve yourself, become a better marketer. So definitely you should invest in training. It's a must have. Okay, it should be an ongoing investment. When it comes to training in the affiliate marketing space, I found a mentor, Vic Strauss, who's had phenomenal success in affiliate marketing. You know, multiple 7-figure earner, 14 years of experience, and I definitely follow Vic's teachings. And if you want to check out Vic's one of Vic's free trainings, I'll put a link in the description below, and you can definitely check it out. And it'll teach you, you know, quite a bit about affiliate marketing, and I think you'll really get some value from it. Okay, so he's also got a fantastic course on affiliate marketing, and a very advanced course on affiliate marketing. I've written a review. I'll put a link of this whole article so you can check out, you know, the review as well, and see for yourself if it's for you or not. Okay, next thing is traffic generation. So traffic is advertising, and traffic generation is like food. Okay, survival for your business. Okay, you need that on an ongoing basis, just like we need food and drink to eat, you know, to survive. Traffic for your business must be an ongoing activity. You know, you need to feed your business, fuel your business. Okay, so traffic, you definitely need to invest in traffic. Okay, because with traffic you're going to generate leads and you can generate commissions and sales. Okay, so traffic, you must have some budget aside for traffic generation. So it doesn't have to be like 100. You can even start with $5, $10, but you must have some you know, budget available for traffic. Okay, traffic, you can get free traffic, but obviously with free you're going to spend your time getting the traffic, but with paid advertising it's more predictable and you can get traffic on demand. Okay, so paid traffic should be part of your you know, strategy as well. Okay, so that's about it really. We've gone through the basics, you know, minimum that you need to start your affiliate marketing business and operate and run your affiliate marketing business on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and you know, you can check out parts 1, 2, and 3, which I'll put in here on the description. I've also put a link to the article where you can read at your own pace. And yeah, that's about it really. So yeah, thanks again, and if you want to definitely get some free resources, I'll just going to share this link with you, affiliateship.com/free, and you can definitely get some free resources to help you grow and build your affiliate marketing business. So I put all the links below. You can check them out, parts 1, 2, 3, and a couple of links to some free resources. And that's it really, and thanks for watching.